So we're going to do monochromatic concept sketches. I'm going to use cool gray and kind of cool gray chalk. I wish it was more of a cool gray.
You are using chalk?
Yeah, we're using chalk. If you could use a color, like you could use red marker and red chalk. So I'm going to show you two different techniques for relatively quick concept sketches using pen, marker, and chalk. So you start. These are going to be hair dryers. You start with a line drawing, which is nothing new. You guys know about those. Let's see. I've got to put these on the page. Kind of get myself in trouble with this one.
Travel size?
I didn't think about laying these out on the page. I almost want to start this over.
Do it.
Vince is recording me, so I can't. I have to save it, like I keep telling you guys. Save your drawings. But I've got myself into a trap here. Okay, where am I going to put this other one? I'm going to change the design just to make it fit the space I have left. Okay, so there's line drawings, and now I'm going to go in and get the thick thin thing going, just like we said with the 5 and 5. You want to get your line drawing roughed in like an underlay, and then go ahead and put the thick and thin lines in there. So I'm putting the thick lines on the left side and the bottom. When somebody's laughing, I always get nervous. Like, is he laughing at me? I wonder, is he laughing at me? What am I doing wrong? Somebody else laughing. Okay, so there's 3, and that is your homework assignment, is 2 pages with 3 concepts each. And now I'm going to put some marker on there. What? How come it's not numbered on the side?
What?
It's a 6. It was numbered on the side, but it wore off. You can barely see it. It looks like my.
What color did you use for that?
For what?
Original shadow.
6. Cool gray 6.
For the homework, it could be anything, or?
The assignment is hair dryers.
Oh, okay.
It can be any color you want.
And how many of them are there?
3 per page.
And 3 pages?
I think it's 2 pages. We'll clarify that at the end. I've got to learn you guys' names. Who was it that we needed to tweak the reflection changing width along with the cylinder changing width?
Somebody might.
What's your name?
Joaquin.
Joaquin, okay. Yeah, I wanted to start trying to learn your names. This is the air intake slots. This one has holes. It has chrome in the middle. Okay, here comes the gradation using chalk. You rub it on the paper, then you drop it on the floor. And then you pick up some of the chalk on your cotton pad. You just finish the
Slide that up a little bit.
You just put a little bit of a gradation on there to give it more of a finish than if it was only the marker. So it's pretty fast technique, right? My chalk and marker colors are a little bit off. I think last week I mixed some blue with that gray to get to be as cool as the marker was cool. I didn't do it today.
Do you use warm grays?
Well, I could have tried warm gray to see if it's closer. But anyway, basically, that's it. It's just a pen marker and you throw a little chalk on there and you're done. And we're going to do the same technique later in Photoshop, the exact same process.
What determines whether you should use cool or warm gray? What's
Well, if you only have cool gray markers, then you want to use cool gray. Otherwise, cool gray is more commonly used than warm gray, but it doesn't really matter. So if I wanted to tie those together with one of those line vignettes, maybe.
Are they typically squares? I mean, if we use any other shape, would it distort the image, like a circle maybe, or a triangle?
You could use a circle too. I've never seen a triangle used. I'm not sure. It might work. The advantage of the rectangle or square is that it helps tie it down better because it's tied to the rectangular shape of the paper. Okay, so the other technique I want to show you